chase him. Who this guy? Who this guy now? John, wait.
Yes. Take it easy. Charles, you relax. Let me make a call. John, relax.
What's up, this guy?
Don't relax. Yes. This is psychiatric hospital. Thank you very much. Please, there's an emergency going on at the Mafidon Street right now. My friend just went mad. We need your attention right now. I beg. No. John, calm down.
What's happening here? I beg, let me. My good has never helped me at all. Let me find out what's happening.
John, hold on. What's the problem? What's happening here? Good morning, man of God. You're welcome. We're just standing on our own. All of a sudden, my friend just run mad. We are trying to catch him. That's what we are trying to do.
If you want to catch a madman, you behave like a madman.
Let me help you. Hold my Bible.
Oga, wait. Oga, am I mad? No.
Oga, that's what the first they do. All I'm mad, Oga.
That's the first symptom. Let's go.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It is what it is.